Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NFE token from EDU3LABS. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. This is a BEP20 token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. Ticker symbol is NFE and name of the token is NFE, but it also goes by EDU3LABS, which is the name of the project. So on March 7th, 7 a.m. UTC time, this token will be listed on Gate. Now I know Gate is not available in everybody's area, so we'll go over a different way to get this token as well. So you can get this token by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, getting it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search NFE, and then simply just buy the token. Now there's a max supply of 900 million tokens, and how the tokens are split up: 4% of the tokens go to pre-seed, 1.3% private, 1.4% KOLs and community. We have 4.1% public, 12% marketing, 1% airdrop, 15% staking and rewards, 18.6% liquidity, 15.4% content creators, 5% foundation, 4% advisors, 3% software and R&D, 15% founders and teams. So like I said, it's a BEP20 token. You can find them on BSC scan. It says they have a max total supply, 900 million tokens in 18 decimal places and only 16 holders. And if you look at the transactions, none of them are from Pancakeswap. But, you know, BSC tokens, they will eventually go to Pancakeswap. So probably around the same time it gets that listing on Gate, it will be listed on Pancakeswap. So if Gate is not available in your area and you're looking to get this token around the same time, it's going to go over to Pancakeswap. So you could fund your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find Pancakeswap, and then trade your BSC. For the EDU3LABS token using the contract address, you could find on their webpage EDU3LABS.com. Over on their webpage, you can also find a full document section, and their documents are at docs.edu3labs.com, and they may have some socials here as well. I just haven't got to that yet. So who said that learning is boring, or that education should be so expensive, that it can bankrupt students, or that it's impossible to earn while studying? These are outdated concepts. They're not valid for the Web3 world. But what is the notion with Education 3.0? EDU3LABS, so that's where the 3 comes in, is Web3 and Education 3.0. So EDU3LABS is a concept that combines education and blockchain technology to create a platform where content creators, learners, and NFE token holders can all benefit. The Learn Plus Earn concept is designed to provide cumulative profits for all parties involved It allows content creators to monetize their knowledge and skills, learners to earn rewards for their educational progress. EDU3LABS is a new and innovative way to make learning more engaging and rewarding for everyone. The EDU3LABS team thought about it and came up with a blockchain of education idea. Web 3.0 is powered by the creator economy. Everyone can create and earn money for their content. Web 3 also relies on gamification practices and a play-to-earn model at its core. So new blockchain-based education concept of EDU3LABS. The main objective is to position the education platform EDU3LABS as the main reference network between educators and students that are initiated in the universe of decentralization and monetization in cryptocurrency. So EDU3LABS is the fusion of these concepts, offering users the ability to study, learn, and earn via a new generation of Web3-based education platform. So there's a big market analysis that you can review on their document section about global online learning market, blockchain and crypto market, problems and solutions, the effects of NFTs on publishing, and competitor analysis. They also have a section about the EDU3LABS ecosystem. So EDU3LABS aims to create an Education 3 economy where all stakeholders are involved and rewarded with blockchain technology and NFE tokens. So EDU3LABS ecosystem will not only include students and teachers, but also investors, gamers, freelancers, and any capable creator who can add value to the Education 3 economy. So the token, NFE token, will be the center of the Education 3.0 ecosystem and funded the platform for educational organizations, companies, lecturers, high-profile executives, and other experts whose content will be beneficial to our purposes and users. NFE tokens will be used to have access to lessons, enter knowledge contests, and invest in early-stage startups related to the education industry. In the medium term, there will be educational privileges for NFE token holders, such as HR services, advisory, and free tickets for networking and educational events. The NFE token, which is the key to the Education 3 economy, has many different use cases and at the same time rewards both students and content creators and investors with its deflationary and demand-oriented structure. So NFE offers for students accessing lessons for a discount, lessons for free from EDU3LABS publishing, passive income opportunities for staking, earning tokens for passing quizzes, study to earn, entering knowledge contests to win prizes, learning while playing games, HR consultancy. So for investors to earn passive income for staking, early stage edtech investment opportunity, early stage GameFi investment opportunity, NFE marketplace revenues will be distributed to stakers. And then for content creators, passive income for staking and future collaborations, including financial and infrastructural support. So there's an NFE marketplace. They use artificial intelligence. They're staking, like I mentioned. There's the EDU3verse, the whole project. We pretty much went over a lot of the tokenomics and everything already. We went over allocation, all that type of stuff. There is a burning mechanism. It doesn't say anything about taxes on here, so I'm not sure if you will have to set slippage later on. Now there is a audit as well by CertiK, a full CertiK audit that you could check out. And there is a roadmap too, so eventually they're going to come out with their own NFE marketplace, their own decentralized exchange. So yeah, right after it says first centralized exchange listing, decentralized exchange listing. So it'll be Gate and then Pancakeswap following that. So that's where you'll be able to get it. In-class advertising, B2B blockchain solutions, networking events, all that will be coming on the roadmap. Check it all out docs.edu3labs.com. And there is a Twitter that I am going to put in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project at EDU3LABS. Real easy to find that. 75,000 Twitter followers, doing very well on their socials there. I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.